Dismissed. That's the latest decision from a judge regarding a lawsuit aimed at protecting the welfare of starving horses on Cumberland Island in southeast Georgia. Our Jessica Clark explains tonight what this means for the horses.
The horses on Cumberland Island roam wherever they want. They are a big draw for tourists and visitors. But some people, such as island resident Carol Ruckteschel, in this interview last year, say the horses are dying of starvation. She took these pictures.
I felt sorry for them because there's not that much to eat.
Last year, Ruckteschel, another horse enthusiast and naturalist, sued the National Park Service, federal and state agencies. The lawsuit argues the government agencies have failed to follow some of their own rules and regulations that protect the island and its more than 100 horses. The lawsuit called for removing the horses from the island entirely to a more suitable environment. This month, a judge ruled to dismiss the entire lawsuit, saying the federal court does not have jurisdiction over the case, so the judge had no choice but to dismiss it. That's something nature photographer Brenda Barber says is the right call.
It would be traumatizing for the horses to pull them off. That's the way they've grown up. That's the way generation after generation has lived over there. And, you know, it's natural way of life.
But Ruckteschel and the other plaintiffs argue island life for these horses is not natural at all. The horses were brought to Cumberland over the years. The plaintiffs say the island is not good for the feral horses and the feral horses are not good for the island and its ecosystem.
They're not woodland animals at all. They're for the open plains.
Her attorney told First Coast News the decision is disappointing, noting, quote, the essence of the court's opinion established only that the court is unwilling rather than unable to enforce the laws and statutes against the National Park Service. The judge did say she hopes the important issues plaintiffs have raised here might spur the NPS or other agencies to act. First Coast News reached out to the National Park Service's superintendent of Cumberland Island for comment, and we are waiting on a response. Meanwhile, it appears the horses will remain on Cumberland Island unmanaged. Jessica Clark, First Coast News, on your side.